Welcome to our tutorial on adding and editing transitions and animations in PowerPoint Mobile. To get started, launch the PowerPoint app on your iOS device. Once it's open, select the presentation you want to enhance. This is where all the magic will happen. Let's say we want to animate image in focus to show an effect. It will fly in on entry. Tap on the image to select it. With your slide selected, look for the three dots option in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to access the ribbon. With your ribbon open, look for the Animations option. Tap on it to access the Animations menu, where you can choose how your image will enter during the presentation. Find and select the Entrance Effect option from the toolbar. Now, you can browse through the various entrance effects available. Choose one that fits the style of your presentation. Here we will select Fly In. Once you've selected your animation, you can preview it by tapping on the play icon in the header. This is the first screen in preview. Now as we move the slides, our animated object will enter the scene. Tap Next Slide icon. Notice the animation fly in, the image flies in and appears amazing. Just like with animations, you can browse through different transition styles, play with each one to preview how it will look on your selected element. Choose one that enhances your message. Play with the fade transition. It is quite popular. Now it's time to see your work in action. Tap on Play to enter presentation mode. This is your chance to review how your transitions and animations flow together. Remember to save your presentation. Tap on three dots in Header and select Save. Thank you for watching our tutorial on adding and editing transitions and animations in PowerPoint Mobile. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy presenting!